Welcome to the 1st of December in Benidorm town. Officially, it is calendar winter, and by seeing all the Christmas decorations and Christmas lights and everything prepared for the upcoming festivities, it definitely feels like it is already winter in the area. Today, we're having a short walking tour down the most popular places in Benidorm, the most vivid right now in winter, which is the traditional city center, the shopping alleys, the Levante beach, just for you to see what the atmosphere looks like already in real winter. Obviously, as you could have seen this weekend, we filmed for you guys also the brand new opening for the Christmas Square and what's called Nadal, which is Benidorm on Christmas. Basically, it's the cumulative huge bubble of different types of events that are happening, concerts, events, Christmas attractions, and food and music and many more things right here from now on up until the 6th or 7th of January. Even so, we can see all these decorations right now here, but the most important thing is that the weather is great. So far, we've seen some dark clouds on the horizon in the Mediterranean Sea, but so far they did not arrive here. So the sun is still shining. I think these clouds went elsewhere, which is good news for us. And there's quite a lot of sunshine. People are having walks, enjoying the Christmas shopping already started here in Benidorm too. And there's quite a lot of offers and discounts. And many places are open. Some of them are closed, but that is because it is Monday. A lot of places do close on Mondays or the days where there is least amount of people. Lovely decorations for Christmas. Giant Christmas tree balls. They're located in several places here, which do give a touch of Christmas, and it's actually quite interesting and festive, especially in the evening with all the Christmas lights turned on. Some leaves keep falling. Technically, it is kind of autumn still in Spain, but you can actually see that leaves keep falling from the trees, and that's a regular thing to happen. These trees will be cut probably all the branches by the next summer season to renew and to not actually get inside all of the local businesses, because these ones are quite big and provide a lot of natural shade. Some typical shops like shoe shops, the taxi stop, by the way, which is located right there in front of us. And today, surprisingly, there's quite a lot of taxis out there. Usually, not sure you guys if you've tried to get a taxi here, but during the busy season, it is always empty and you have to actually wait for a taxi to arrive to this area. It's not as easy to catch a taxi here as it might sound like. As you can see, this is the taxi stop. This is how it looks like. This is like a big long yellow lane. That's where the taxis stop, and you always have to get the first one. So the one that's closest, like this one with the open doors, the one that's closest to the exit, this is the one that you have to take, because the one that arrives the last obviously has been working more. So it's just like a friendly, unspoken rule, if you wish, for the taxi drivers, at least here in Benidorm, but I feel like it works in all places, not only here. A lot of people are wearing jackets already. It is quite chilly, not gonna lie. Quite chilly here in the area, and well, a lot of people are wearing jackets already, and even some scarves and even some hats and many more things. It's not as hot anymore. Obviously, we're in December. But who would tell we are in December if we watch what's happening on the Levante beach? This is Levante beach today, 1st of December. Really vivid Levante beach promenade. A few people on the beach having walks. Very big rays of sunshine. Look at that. Very nice. Quite a lot of people having a walk, just a stroll by the beach, or just sitting down on or laying down on the sunshine. The Benidorm's island is right in front of us too, and the sky is blue. The sea is actually quite calm and quiet, And so many people are here, even more here in this particular part of the promenade. Some of them are with luggages, maybe early arrival or early departure, waiting for the bus to pick them up, not too sure, spending last minutes here on the beach. And in general, a lot of movement. Plenty of people are here. Obviously, sunshine brings joy, brings happiness. It's why so many people are seeking some sun during winter months, and obviously the vitamin D. But having a sunny day like this, for all of us, it means a lot. We love our weather and we love to go outside and enjoy it at least the tiniest bit as much as we can. Some people are seeking for some more shade, but the vast majority are out here on the sunshine. December is still a vivid time here in the area. So if someone asks you, or if you're wondering what December is like, if you're planning on coming to Benidorm, the answer is this. This is exactly how our town looks like in the month of December. Plenty of people still everywhere you go. It's not empty. Terraces are not closed. The businesses are not closed, with an exception of nightclubs, few of them. But here by the Levante beach, Mediterranean Avenue, the old town, the Poniente beach, so many of these places are available and open for you guys. And you can see the terraces, like here, the Guinness bar. Look at the amount of people on the terrace enjoying some sun. It's not hot, overwhelming sunshine, you know what I mean? It's a pleasant sunshine in the area. It's really pleasant. It's not bad. It's not burning. It's a pleasant place to actually be here. Tiki Town, also very vivid. No really loud music as per se, but quite a lot of people still enjoying some nice drinks. And usually in the evening, it's when here you can see some more of entertainment. There's some DJ session, there's some maybe music, some artists, live performances, but that is mostly towards the weekends. From Monday to Thursday, this is slightly a more quieter area in terms of entertainment. But in terms of people, this is Monday. If this is Monday, what's going to be happening here by the weekend? You can imagine that. Some people are even swimming. Look at this. For us, it's definitely too cold. For us locals, it's not a swimming season. Once September goes to an end, we are not swimming in the sea anymore. For us, it starts to begin slightly cold already. But a lot of people coming from northern countries, yes, why not? You can still perfectly swim in the Mediterranean Sea. Even doggios are having a walk. A lot of pets we see here by the promenade too. Either traveler pets that are coming with their owners on holidays, or those who live here permanently. This city absolutely busy today. Almost all the chairs here, if not all, on the terrace are really busy with all the tourists and some locals too. Nearby cafeterias for a typical slightly late breakfast, because it is midday already, almost, for breakfast options, drinks, snacks, some cocktails. This is a very pleasant place to be. By the way less of sunbeds. We can see the paid sunbeds are out there, but there's not a lot of them any longer. And from here, heading slightly towards the main shopping alleys, main shopping streets, especially now here for the festivities, for gifts for Christmas and New Year, depending on what you're celebrating. These streets are really vivid. There's hush and rush between locals and tourists to get all the gifts, to prepare everything for themselves, for their loved ones, friends, family members, maybe for some secret Santa at work. But the thing is that all these places, all these streets will be quite vivid up until a New Year. Then it's going to be slightly quieter from that moment. And all the shops, 24-hour supermarkets, as you can see here, drinks, cafeterias, shoe shops, accessories, tattoo places. All of this is also open and available for you guys. As you can see, it is calm and quiet, but it's definitely a vivid place with a lot of movement, but it doesn't seem overwhelming. So it's perfectly fine if you want to come on holidays right now to Benidorm. And it's actually very nice because in the morning you get to see some sunshine. There's some really, really nice weather, good temperatures, cozy temperatures, comfy temperatures if you wish. But at night, you get to see winter Benidorm with slightly cooler weather and all the Christmas decorations and the Christmas fair and the square with the ice skating rink and typical traditional roast chestnuts and some warm drinks. So it's like having two in one. In the morning and during daytime, it's one thing, but in the evening / nighttime, it is absolutely the opposite. That's curious, isn't it? But that's what a lot of people are enjoying here right now. Lottery places, look at the queue for the lottery. Oh my world, wow. It even goes around the corner. That is bizarre. That is the longest officially queue that I've ever seen for the lottery place. And that is only for one thing. This is for the Christmas lottery, which is celebrated on the 22nd of December. So in 21 days, it's going to be the day for the lottery. So there's a giant queue of people trying to get the last lottery tickets. Obviously, they are never sold completely, at least as far as we know. So there's always lottery here, but the earlier you get it, the more probability is that you'll get the number that you like and want. So that's why there's queues. And in some places, people wait for an hour or even more to get their lottery ticket. Let us know if that's not bizarre. Oh, another place closed down. Look at this. Another place here closed down. This was like accessories, shoes, bags, jewelry place. Closed down. And it's not only for winter because they've taken down the letters. So there's going to be a brand new business there shortly. I wonder what this business will actually be. Some typical Spanish cafeterias, breakfast, coffee, churros. All this is also available for you. And obviously, the old town towards the left side. Look at how vivid it is. That's incredible that this is the 1st of December. Years ago, this would be unthinkable. This would be definitely during the peak season. Because low season, especially December, didn't look like this. But now it does. Everything changes completely here in Benidorm town. With years, there's no low season any longer. This is how Benidorm looks like. Oh, careful. This is how Benidorm looks like on the 1st of December. Really vivid. People are everywhere. Locals, international tourists, national tourists, a little bit of everything. Really, really busy. Really nice, sunny, pleasant place to be. Even on the 1st of December. It's a place ideal to visit throughout the whole year long. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more here on the channel, Benidorm Bayana.